To make this video of my hiccups because I just think it's really funny. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh no. Oh my god. Let's see. This is so stupid. Oh my god. I literally hate the hiccups so much. And this is the third time that I've had them tonight. Literally, it's so bad. Why do I shake? Waiting. Okay, that's it. Bye. Have a good night.